we're going to take a look at one of my favorite stocks to day trade, and that stock is going to be Tesla. So even though Tesla closed down 1.5%, down 13 points, it had an insane reversal today. You can see this just monster mega, green hammer candle here. We can probably more than likely expect a day 2 bounce on Tesla. And if we don't, I will be mistakenly wrong, where I will make another video kind of pinpointing where we went wrong. But that's not really what I'm expecting. So 851.37 was the absolute lows today. We did have a flush. I did take a trade short. I did take a trade long, up, down, coming or going. One guy's looking this way, the other guy's looking that way. What are you going to do, right? So with that being said, if you really look at the overall market and what the market did today, there was about a time around 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, around noon for all you East Coast folks. And basically something caught a bid, meaning that, some institution, some algo, some big buyer, somebody stepped in and said, hey, you know what, this is okay for the short term, right? Because I'm not going to say that we're not going to go any lower. But what I'm saying is for today, for this week, possibly, maybe for tomorrow. Today, that's as low as we're going to go. We took out those bottoms. We wicked all the way back up on a lot of charts. If you just do some homework tonight and you kind of go through the daily charts, you're going to see this big long shadow, these big long wicks here on a lot of charts. They tried really, really bad. You have to give the bears all the credit in the world. What they've done to us over the past month is just absolutely destroy us. They've had their fun. They tried very hard to aggressively take everything down, another leg in another channel. And it just seems like right around that 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, something happened, things started to turn around, and we just absolutely rallied. The triple Qs, the NASDAQ futures were down at one point, almost 500 points on this session. They came back and closed green on the day. Absolutely. So absolutely just insane move. So what we need to really talk about here is how can we make some money, right? That's the only thing that really matters. How can we make some money for tomorrow? Tomorrow is going to be the 25th of January. How am I looking to make money? I'm going to give the bulls a little bit of the benefit of the doubt. Now, we are still trading below the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average on the NASDAQ 100, on the triple Qs. So take everything with the grain of salt. This is just a dead cat bounce. This is just a relief bounce. Could it be extreme? Could it be big? Yes. Could it last one day? Yes. Could it last a week? Of course. Could it last a couple of hours? Absolutely. So with that being said, is how can we make some money? We're going to make some money by going long here over today's highs. Today's high is 933.17. Currently in the after hours session, we're trading at 917. So with that being said, if we have any sort of flat or red open, you're going to want to see a washout, meaning just let the stock wash out short, let it catch the bottom, and then let it come rallying past 933. Over 933, we're going to have room into 960. That's going to be the potential trade. I'm going to give it 25, 30 points worth of room. Not saying that it's going to move all at once, but if you're able to take 4 points off Tesla, if you're able to take 7 points off Tesla, you're able to scalp it for 9 points, for 3 points. Those are all fantastic moves. And that's the kind of level that we're going to be playing with. Obviously, to the downside, the big line in the sand is coming down here at this, what is this, 200-day moving average. So down here at the 200-day moving average at around 850, we are going to have a little bit of channel support down here at around 839, and then we have the 200 SMA at 812. So these are Tesla's sort of last areas of support. I'm definitely a little bit more bullish going into tomorrow. I'm not saying that we're coming all the way back to 980. I'm not saying we're coming all the way back to 1050 or coming back to 1200 anytime soon. But if we could just catch a trade, from 930 to 950, that's more than enough. If we can catch a trade from 930 to 960, that's fantastic. And then we'll kind of evaluate from there going forward. So that's the big thing when it comes to day trading versus long-term investing. We're not really looking to get back to all-time highs tomorrow. We're just looking for little areas of opportunity where we could potentially make some money in between. Okay, so with that being said, I hope this video helps. If you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also, if you guys want to leave me a comment, I will definitely check that out and reply to you. Also, check out my website, evolutiontraders.com, and I will catch you guys all on the next video.